Now we'll discuss the question number 17, and it is from material science. And the question is the number of atom per unit cell and the number of slip system respectively for a face-centered cubic, that is FCC crystal R. So we know in face-centered, that cubic, what happens is the atom at the corner is shared among the 8 unit cell. So we will have 1 by 8 into, at the corner we have 8 atom, so 8 plus we have atom at each faces, which is shared among the 2 unit cell. So 1 by 2 into, we have 6 faces. So it will be 1 plus this 3. So total, so n, that is total number of atom in a FCC is 4. And in FCC we have 12 slip system. So the number of slip system in FCC we have 12. So the option will be C. That is 4. We have 4 atom and 12 slip system in FCC.